felt so weak before. Never met a man so sure of how and when and where to touch and just how much. I've never been through ecstasy, but now I'm feeling it over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Whatever I can do for your love, you just ask, consider it done, and I'll do anything, whatever you want, whenever you need it. I just wanna give it all to you, more than you could ever expect me to. I swear, whatever you do, I'll do it 3 times, baby, back to you. I'm good too.